Today I'm taking you into my kitchen and showing you how to make my easiest gluten-free buckwheat bread. Completely gluten-free, completely gum-free, has 3 simple ingredients: buckwheat flour, a little corn flour and some ground hazelnuts. Soft and fluffy on the inside, it's crunchy on the outside. It's easy to make. Let's go. Start by putting 540 milliliters of water in a bowl. Add 7 grams of dried yeast and then sprinkle it with just a pinch of sugar. And now let it stand for about 10 minutes to activate the yeast. When the yeast is activated, you'll see it sort of bubbles like this on the surface. Simply add 300 grams of buckwheat flour, 80 grams of corn flour or cornstarch if you're American, 60 grams of ground hazelnuts, 15 grams of psyllium husk powder. This is really important. Don't skip this. It helps the bread bind, stick together. And finally, 10 grams of salt. So there you go. Now, all you need to do is give this a thorough mix so all the ingredients combine really well together. So there you go. This is it. All the ingredients are combined. As you can see, it is quite runny. That's completely normal for gluten-free bread dough. Don't worry about it. Next step, we get to take a cake tin. I use a big one, 25 centimeters by 10. If you don't have one, you can find one on my Amazon store. The link is in the description of this video. So here's what I do. I just take the cake tin. I take a piece of non-stick baking paper. I'm quite slapdash about this, to be honest. I just scrunch it up and then I pull it out and I put it in the cake tin. Please don't be tempted to put your bread dough in the cake tin without non-stick baking paper. Unless you're using a silicone mold, please put non-stick baking paper. Otherwise, your gluten-free bread is just going to stick to the cake tin and you're not going to be able to take it out, and it's just such a shame. It would be a complete waste. So once you've done this, you just pour the dough in the cake tin and that's it. Now, let it rise for about 30 minutes to an hour. Depends a bit on the temperature outside. Sometimes it rises really quick. Sometimes it takes a good hour to rise. So keep an eye on it, because when it does rise, it can suddenly sort of go over. You don't want that. So keep an eye on it for the next 30 minutes for an hour. And then we'll pop it into the oven. Okay, there you go. This is ready to go in the oven. It's taken about 45 minutes to rise. I've preheated my oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to pop it into the oven for 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Let's go. So after 45 minutes, take the bread out of the oven and then take it out of the cake tin. Careful not to burn yourself. Pull the non-stick baking paper down just like this. I'll stick a little bit. Okay, and then pop it back into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for a further 10 to 15 minutes. This will make it like super crusty on all sides. So if you like a nice crust on your bread, I love that, then you'll be really happy. If you don't want it to be too crunchy on the outside, then just put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes. At this point, it's cooked inside, but you just want a nice crust on all sides. So there you go. After a further 10-15 minutes, take your bread loaf out of the oven and then put it on a wooden board and let it cool down thoroughly before you try cutting a slice. At this point, your kitchen is absolutely full of a lovely smell of fresh bread. It's just amazing. And now it's time to taste. Look at this. Amazing. And there you go. Let's taste. It's absolutely delicious. What I love about this bread is it's soft, fluffy on the inside. It holds really well together, but I haven't used any xantham gum or anything like that. It's so easy to make because it's only got buckwheat, a little bit of corn flour and some ground hazelnuts. It's got a really nice nutty flavor. It's crusty on the outside, which for me is a huge must. I love my bread to be crusty on the outside and I miss that so much from gluten bread. So that's it. For me, this is a perfect mix. Really, really easy to make. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Share this video with someone who might like it. And the really free, easy way for you to support my work and this channel is to just hit the subscribe button. So if you like this video, please make sure you give it a like and you subscribe to the channel. And by the way, I have several gluten-free bread videos. I'm pretty sure if you enjoyed this one, you like this one next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.